This is a tutorial that will show you a little bit about a very cool screen capture tool called Jing. Now, I've done a search for Jing. I'm assuming that you've downloaded it and you've installed it. And if I do a search for Jing and then click on it so that it opens, this is how it looks when it opens. And then it parks itself up in the far right corner of the screen. And if I click on the sun that's shining there, and I click on the gears, this will open up Jing so I can show you a few preferences. For one, what I want to do when I click on the preferences is I want to say launch at startup. I always want to have this available. I also have a capture key that I can use at any time in any application using Jing, and it's Shift Command 1. The other thing is that you may have to set up an account. I already have logged into my account because Jing also allows you to publish things very easily to the web. And another side note, Jing also allows for video captures, kind of like what you're seeing here, although I'm using a different tool. And having done everything there that I want, oh, and one other thing that Jing will let you do is that you could click this checkbox and it would show up in the menu bar rather than always being over there. That's a matter of your own preference. I'll click on that. And then if I go Command Shift 1, I get crosshairs that look like that. And if I select something and then let go, I did a Shift Select to do that. I have some options, one of which is I can just capture the image. So if I click on that, I have this image. I'll call it Screen Capture. Screen capture test. I can also put illustrations on it. For example, I could put a box around something to call attention to it, or whatever. And once I've done that, then I can click Save, or I could share it with a place called screencast.com, but I'm just going to save it. So that having done that, it's going to put it in my Documents folder, and I'll click Save. Now I could send this through email. I could put it up on my blog. I could send it as an instant message attachment. Pretty cool. What does that look like? If I go to my Finder, I go to I'm looking for the most recent thing here, and there's the screen capture right there. Very cool tool.